Happy Canada Day, guys and girls. So we are with Darth Maul and R2D2, and if you've been following along on this channel, we do videos about issues that we're having with the Mach E's and how to fix them. So what we're dealing with right now is this one, and actually this one, but this one was gone for 2 months for the high voltage battery junction box. That's a mouthful. And I've been getting this constant noise. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but what I thought it was this bolt right here holding the wheel liner in, but it's actually this one right here that's just flapping up against nothing. And I know that's hard to see, but we're going to take our 10mm wrench. We're going to undo that, put the clip in, and fix it. Stay tuned.